Right, okay, a quick review of the Leatherman SuperTool 300. Got this sent to me by Leatherman. This is the black. So we're just going to open up the packet, show you what we got inside it. Got a nice little sticker. Some instructions. So it just lines out all the different tools, all the different products, gives you a list of numbers and reference points that correspond to those numbers. So it tells you exactly what you have. But down to the guts of it. So I'm just getting my my Leatherman fuse out just for comparison, just for size. If you're familiar with the fuse and you're familiar with the size of the fuse, then this will give you a good corresponding size. There we go. Slightly bit larger, okay? However, look at it. It is lovely. Solid bit of kit. Okay. We've got the molly pouch. Here we go. Strong bit of Velcro on there. There we go. So you get a lovely pouch with it as standard. So we can go through all the products that we have. So we can start off with here. We've got this is a replaceable wire cutter there in there. You can see replaceable on both sides. So if we go to our instruction list, we can see up here. We start there. Now, please bear in mind, this is a lockable product. So UK legal, it is not. You cannot carry this out and about on your person for everyday use. This is not an EDC in the UK. Bearing in mind that the last thing you want to do is get caught with what's classified as an offensive weapon. However, there we go. We have a knife. We have, just going to go through these. I don't need to describe. You see, it comes nicely lubed up. It's obviously very well made, easy to maintain. You have small screwdriver, larger screwdriver. We have here, I want to give it its technical name, number 26, and I look down here, 26, and it tells me that it is a I don't even know how to pronounce that. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong thing. It's an awl. Okay, so we have the awl. We have a lanyard. Hold it there. We've already done our knife. We have there. Now that's a really nice file, that there. Solid. Okay, so that's that side. Let's close them up. Onto the other side. We have here a serrated blade. We have our saw. We have our can opener. We have Phillips head screwdriver. We have a smaller screwdriver as well. But you have to feel the weight of this thing. In comparison to that, I mean, it's solid. It's made very well. Very good quality. And wow. Well, let's be honest. She looks the part, doesn't she? Solid bit of kit. So I'm very happy to take this camping with me. So obviously I can justify taking it, carrying it on me, in my Bergen, in my jacket, if I'm going camping. So guys, there we have it. Lovely bit of kit, job done. Right. Thank you for watching.